In this session, I will explain how to use the G10 function, which inputs MC programmable data. Using this function, you can input the work origin offset amount and tool data by issuing commands in a program. First, let's see how to input the work coordinate system. Here is the command format. L2 stands for the work coordinate system. P stands for the work coordinate system number. For example, the P1 command refers to the G54 coordinate system. The value is entered when it is commanded to the absolute value G90 with X, Y, and Z. If the X, Y, and Z value is commanded to the incremental value G91, the values are added to the existing values. For the added work coordinate system, command by entering L20 instead of L2. Next, let's see how to command the tool offset value. Here is the command format. Since the command method differs for tool compensation depending on the tool type, refer to the format according to the compensation type. Let me explain by selecting type C for this machine. It is divided into length shape and wear and diameter shape and wear according to numbers L10 to 13. P stands for the offset number. R stands for the compensation amount value. When it is entered, it is added to the existing value. If the minus compensation amount R value is entered, it is subtracted from the existing value. That is the end of my explanation on how to use the G10 function, which inputs MC programmable data.